It's the early morning, guys. Can you hear all those birds? Are these our cucumbers?
Those are our cucumbers.
Are these our limp cucumbers?
I told you they would be limp.
Oh my god, that's a huge mess.
Yeah, one of them spilled a little. Only one. Only one!
No, I know. The thing with these, like, they're not bad. They're just,
yeah.
You just need a little TLC.
Yeah.
We finally got cucumbers, guys. How bad is the mess?
It's pretty bad.
So last night there was frost. However, this time we were prepared, unlike last year. We bought a tarp. I hope it's gonna blow away. Yep. Okay. So the garden survived the frost. We have our cucumbers and they'll be going in today. This is a big tarp though. It's like 13 feet by 13 feet. I gotta roll it up or something. And we're basically folding it and rolling it the way that I learned in Scouts. The one thing I remember is how to fold and roll a flag, and it works for literally everything else. It's actually a pretty decent tarp too. It wasn't even that expensive.
Yeah. Hooray for Walmart sometimes, I suppose.
Wasn't it Canadian Tire? Oh my god, no, Walmart!
Why, it's blue!
Anyway, we'll stuff it in the shed somewhere. Maybe up at the top.
Don't step on the plants, Dev.
I won't.
I don't believe you.
We had moved the lettuce here.
Yeah, but
just to get it underneath the tarp for the night, but it can come back out now. I get to stick my hands in manure straight on once more this year. How does that make you feel, Naomi?
You're gonna give me cholera.
Dig down, and a big old handful. Oh, it's kind of like congealed in here. You gotta mix it up again.
Gross. So since you're willing to like touch manure with your bare skin, how much would you be willing? How much would people have to pay you to eat it?
Probably a fair bit.
How much? Give us a number, Dev.
I don't know.
Give us a number.
A fair bit.
Number.
You're a numbskull.
Yes, that doesn't change the question.
And with the cucumbers in, Naomi's giving it the old garden.
The old garden?
The old watering is what I mean.
Is that what I'm doing, Dev?
Let's see how it all turns out. So I think the laundry's gonna hit you soon. It's flapping right above you. Oh, it's caught in the tree. But is that how we always get bugs in our laundry?
Yes.
Oh my god, guys. It's very dark out here, and it's way too early for it to be this dark. And the reason is, out of nowhere, a huge storm... Hear that? Out of nowhere, a huge storm is blowing in right now. And there's going to be hail tonight. So, that tarp's got to go back on this garden. Oh god, the rain's starting.
I can't reach it.
It's up here, right? Why did I put it up here?
Because you're dumb.
Nope, we got it. Okay. Oh, here. Oh god, the rain. Yeah. Oh my god, guys! I don't know if you can hear me. This is what it looks like. We've pulled the tarp as tight as possible. Oh god, we're soaked. We pulled the tarp as tight as possible and used bricks to hold it up. And we're hope that's gonna stay. And hopefully nothing gets crushed by pooling water. Oh god. And here it is from the upstairs view. Oh god, I hope the plants don't get fucked. Oh. I have a feeling that water's gonna weigh it down too much and those bricks are gonna come down. All we can do is hope for the... Here, I don't even mind rain this hard. It's the fact that it might be hailing that's the problem. Oh, there they go. There they go. It is 7 a.m. We're out in the garden after last night's adventure. The tarp is drying off on the clothesline. Though, to be honest, the clothesline is not big enough because it basically touches the ground. I'm going to inspect the plants to see what happened. There was thankfully no actual hail, but there could have been. A lot of these guys look okay. A lot of these peas, they look just fine. The tomatoes look okay too. This one looks flattened. Did you break it all? No, it doesn't seem like it. Spinach looks fine. The kale's barely moved, but kale takes a long time to grow anyway. This pepper plant looks pretty mashed up. That leaf broke. That's done. The main stem is still intact, so maybe it'll be okay. This one back here lost a leaf. And this one there broke a leaf at the bottom. I mean, all the stalks are still going though. And then here's our poor cucumbers. They stopped being so limp, but I don't know if the storm crushed them or what. I mean, they're withering. I hope we didn't lose anything. I wouldn't want to have to restart the garden, you know. So this is about a week after the storm. And there's good news and bad news. Good news, look at all that lettuce.
Yum.
We gotta trim it and start eating it because it's pretty much time. Same with the spinach. Look at the spinach, guys. It's really going. That's the good news. The kale takes a while to go. And same with the peppers and stuff. But here's the bad news. The bad news is all of those kind of wilty looking cucumbers all died. I don't know if it was just the fact that they're wilty, or if it was the fact that the storm killed them. To be fair, no offense to you, Naomi, it's just that
I know.
Your store is kind of shitty, and I didn't expect them to actually work out. We gotta go buy new cucumbers because these ones, they died. It's kind of funny because a few of them, you can see how limp they are. They're just in the dirt. A couple of them came back and then died again. So we're gonna go try to find some more robust cucumbers today. A few fresh weeds growing. Jeez, these things really took off.
Yeah, man, you gotta weed the garden regularly.
I'll leave that to you.
Yeah.
The peas themselves look okay. We just gotta start pushing them towards the lattice, you know? I think there was one pea that was kind of floppy, but I think it's... Is it this one here? Is this the floppy pea? No, this one here. Wait, that's just a leaf. Hold on. These aren't necessarily... They're kind of floppy. I think they're actually okay. I think we just gotta, pull these towards... if I can just... Come on. Come on, just... This way! They'll figure it out. I'm sure...
They will. I think they might need human intervention.
Okay, but, there's only so much... they're only so... I can't just yank them. They're still kind of tiny. It's been kind of cold and kind of wet after that storm came through, so...
Supposed to slowly start warming up again.
Yeah. But hey, all the leaves are going good, so we gotta start having salads soon.
Yum, yum. You mean more salad than we already been having?
Yeah. Jeez, this is a huge selection. I don't see any cucumbers, though, do you?
No.
Ow, I just bonked my head on something.
Good job, Dev.
These are actually in pretty decent shape. I mean, this one's not.
No.
And this one's not. And this one's not. Look at that. But, well, I mean, ouch. I bumped my head again. Is it a cucumber? Yes. Cucumber. And it's actually in pretty decent shape, yeah. Hey, Naomi, how mad would you be if I sprayed you with that thing?
Pretty mad.
Is that the case?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
I'm actually surprised that we got such good ones right away. I think we have to shop around. Jeez, here they are. Alright, I'm going to put them in. Should I put the seatbelt on them? Do you want to tuck them in? Taking a break from salad stuff for sushi. Guys, Naomi likes getting hand rolls. What a pleb. Alright, we're back at the old homestead. Pull. This thing's just dead. I'll pull it out. Whatever remains will go into the compost. And then we do the whole diggy again. Let's hope these new ones work out. Well, the manure's dried up quite a bit. Big handful. And it goes. And now, how do we get it out? I'll see if I can do it one-handed, so I have to put the camera down. Just... Oh, look at that. Now, put it through the mesh. I don't want anything to get caught accidentally. And there it goes. Our new cucumbers. Let's hope these ones do not die like the last ones did. Hey, check this out. I began digging the next hole. And this little guy, he just popped out. Look, there's a little wormy. He's moving. You see him? Hey, buddy. Oh, he's going back in. There we go. All 4 are in. The rest of the garden's doing okay. There's Naomi honking her way up the driveway. Hey, Naomi! Do you know if it's going to rain today? So is it raining?
No.
No?
Not raining.
Okay, I guess I have to water the garden then. Yeah. Also, I got a really poopy hand. You want some?
Fuck off!
Here we are. The back side of the house. Get some water. I don't even know if you can hear me, but So hopefully you won't have to replace any more plants. That'd be nice. I'm not fond of having to do it, but that is just a necessity sometimes, you know? It's a couple of days later and check it out. These cucumber sprouts are doing okay. It looks like this pea broke in the wind or something. Well, that sucks. But the peas seem to be going all right. It's going for the tomato thing. No! Stop going for the tomato thing. It's literally right here. Look at this spinach, guys. I should be able to literally just pick off all the leaves. Like so. Get all the decent leaves. And the plant will regrow with new leaves. But the real prize is this lettuce, and it's got to be cut now. I can't even fit it in the frame. Okay, so if I just, take the scissors and just like a cut. I can just cut all the leaves. Lettuce with gravel in it, no problem. Just leave a few inches of the plant left. Okay. Leave a few inches of the plant left, and it should be okay to keep growing back. Little stump there. I've been told that'll keep growing back. So let's hope. So there we go. I've got a bowl full of red leaf lettuce, a bowl full of spinach. I only cut 2 of the spinach plants. The other 2 will be for tomorrow, and the other half of the lettuce bed will be for tomorrow as well. Okay, Naomi, I have the salad stuff. Yeah. Do you want it washed?
Obviously, Dev. That's not an actual question. Fuck.
Well, but I mean, you could probably just...
No!
Oh my god, do you hear that? Look at the deck. That's hail. And that's the garden getting hailed on. God damn it. Look, this little ice ball landed on the windowsill. That's what's hitting my garden right now. Look at the roof of the shed. Look at the roof of the shed. I hope I don't lose the whole thing.